The first step in self-custody is to download a crypto wallet. A new and exciting product is the Internet Money Wallet. These wallets, on desktop, operate as browser extensions, but Internet Money also can be downloaded to be used on your mobile device, both Apple and Android. These are the steps to install Internet Money on Chrome, which we recommend. Step 1. Download the Internet Money browser extension in the web store. The easiest way to access the Internet Money wallet is to start at internetmoney.io and click the download button. This button connects you to the Chrome web store. You will then be offered the chance to read the terms and conditions before clicking Create a new wallet. The Import Wallet is an option for experienced users to migrate their crypto from another wallet provider to Internet Money. Ignore this option for now. Step 2. Create password and secure your wallet. The password you create only works on this individual device but allows you to open your wallet more easily. After setting up your password, you will be shown some important information about self-custody. Read this. The next step will involve generating a 24-word recovery phrase, also called seed phrase. This is the most important part of self-custody. Never lose your seed phrase and never tell anyone your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is your money. Lose it and you will lose all your money. Step 3. Connect to PulseChain. One of the great things about the Internet Money Wallet is that its default network is PulseChain, so there are no additional steps here. Sometimes browser extensions aren't always visible on your toolbar. If you can't see the Internet Money icon, click on the Extensions button and you should then see it. If you right-click, you can select Pin, then it will be visible and easy to click at all times. Your Internet Money Wallet is now ready to use.